COPन एक ल्हानशी मिटींग घेवपाक आपयलेले विथ COP मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर दिगंबर कामत. सो आमकां तेणें ब्रीफ केल्या कशे भाशेन वॉटर स्पोर्ट एक्टिविटीज चलोवपाक जाय आनी रेट्स आनी ऑल दीस मॅटर्स कितें आहा न्हू जे आमकां सोशल मिडियासान ट्युरिस्टांक चीट करता आनी ट्युरिस्टांक चीट करता आनी आमचे पळय जे रायड्स वॉटर स्पोर्टाचे रायड्स शॉर्ट आहा ते कशे भाशेन इम्प्रूवमेंट करून कसो ट्युरिस्ट इन्फ्लक्स परतो गोंयांत हाडपाक जावो so that the tourists enjoy the rides and go back home happy. Second thing तेणें सांगलां tourism minister the COP minister also would visit the different site to study what are the exact problem what the stakeholders are facing, because there are different kinds of boats operating in our tourism sector. So there are registration like PNG registration like WS registration. These have their own jurisdiction and they have their licenses are be given to their as per their registration. So there are sometimes there are packages where the PNG or registration which boats are allowed to operate in the rivers and the coast of the jurisdiction of the rivers. So those people like they are creating packages. They are getting packages, the cheap packages. The rides have been short. So where the tourists after doing the rides they feel they have been cheated. So to avoid all those things, the tourism the COP minister has wanted to know what are the things, and before the season could start he want to study these things and accordingly act on those kind of if there are any injustice happening to the tourists.
तर अनेक गजाल सांगपा फाटल्या फावटी तुमचे सेफ्टी जी मेजर्स आसता पळय टुरिस्टांची फाटल्या फावटी एक बागान बोट बुडलेली, सो अशें जे जावपाक नाका तेजेर कितें ओवरलोड घेता आनी कितें करतात.
He has also briefed us that no overloading has to happen and there will be every month there will be check on these things and every day the association has to keep a strict vigilance that such things does not continue.
Safety jacket असतले तुमचे.
See every time we are boarding the tourists they have to wear a safety jacket. Without safety jacket the tourists are not allowed to enter. There are sometimes कितें जाता customer jacket ही काडटा, there are those things are also there. So we make sure that the tourist has to wear a jacket before entering the vessel.
Tourism minister भी मेळे.
Tourism minister का मी गेल्या विकान मेळ्ळें. So he has said that whatever safety measures has to be taken, you all have to take, and as soon as the COP instructs us to start, we will be starting.
The season केन्ना start जावपा तुमचो?
Season is already started, but we are just waiting for the weather to be in a better, so that there are no problems for the operation due to high waves and things like that and high winds.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.